What happened? You ready? Are you doing it? Yeah, I know. Brian, you ready? Follow me. I swear I got high. I swear to God I got air. Can I get air? A lot? I'll take it. I'll take it. Yo, come with me. Come with me. Let's go, Brian. It's so hard. I don't think there's anything here, though. I'm going in. I see it. I might die. I love you, though. Let's win.